Bilisan mo, diretso ka, mag-order ka lang naman.
Confirm ko lang kayo dito sa bites na. Except kayo natin serving time is...
Ano, bakit?
How's the foods? What's good?
Great!
So lakot. What's the name of the food again?
Meatball spaghetti.
How about you? What's the food? What's the food?
Meatball ice candy.
Ayaw ko kukuha.
Gabby is sick. Really sick.
Gabi, are you okay?
Kailan kayo tayo?
Nice! Why, fresh? Ayan, video. Kita-kita yung reaction mo dito. Okay, good. That's their... Look. Here's my BL. They can see you.
I'm gonna close.
Okay. What flavor is this?
Pink. My favorite. I'm just jelly. The sourness. Takes away your stress.
Yes, it is. This is my favorite. You want to taste this? Come on.
I want those.
Why?
I tried it before. I don't like it.
This is one of my favorite. So here's my favorite drink in every world. In any beverages, ice matcha latte. Good. 10 over 10. So, hi guys, for today's video, this is the day kung kailan uuwi ang aming lolo. And or vlog ko lang kasi hindi naman may kasama sa airport, but other family members are included para ihatid si lolo sa airport and also to assist. Syempre, medyo matanda na ang aming lolo and he need to assist sa mga things niya at gamit niya, lalo na may mga dala siya, mga package na binili here and dadalhin doon kala lola. And yes, 2 months siyang nagtook ng vacation here sa Philippines. And yes, I think he enjoy all the things na may mga ginawa niya dito. Mga meet up together with the other family members and kamag-anak. And makikita natin yung mga other family members na ipapakita ko later. And yes, let's see them. Hindi ako makasama kasi puro gamit lang yung kasama sa sakit. But yes, yan, let's go! And kasi hindi na ako kasya, puro package at mga boxes yung kasama dun. And yes, it's okay. And I hope makarating ng safe and sound si lolo dun sa US. Yan lang. Sino? Ay, siya nga alis. Ito ang kasama si Amyong, si Kuya, Chikay, and who's here? Yan, sila lolo. Lolenggo, vlog. Si Lola Siling and Lola Beth. Papost natin ito sa Facebook. Yan si Tita Bing. Ma, yan yung mga kasama sa airport. This is me, nakapagbahay lang. Kasi di ako sa... Oo, mapakita sila.
Hindi ko pinaki.
And other family members. Kasama mamaya. Yowie, you're so cute. Javian. Javian, say hi. House? Hey. Hey, Lord. You're so foggy. So much.
Basta kumain sa paspasan to.
You know, you will not eat?
Si Risa nag-opera din. Perfect. Ano na siya? Jem was here. Jem was here. We're gonna pick up the...
What? Water? Manuel. Buti umuwi ka. And Frozen, they're so cute. And you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really wanna show it. Siling, tumayo ka dyan. Ganon, ipapa-announce mo pa. Hindi ako. Wow! Ito ka doon.
See you 2026.
Ikaw, Lo! Bye, guys! Oh, yung jacket ni Lolo, ah.
Jacket sa kanya yan, jacket. Papahawit ko, kala mo sasama ko.
Siya!
Ikay! Ikay! Ay, yan ka.
Oh,
Bye lang.
Frozen! Dito ka na!
guys lang, tawagin niyo ko. Di ako yun.
Punta ka doon, magbabay ka!
That's our vlog for today. Guys, that's our vlog for today. See you, Lo, at 2026. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ingat sa pagbiyahe yung mga magatid dyan. And yes. Tara! Bye!